Before you drop cash on a Husqvarna chainsaw, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most of these chains are built for very specific models, and buying the wrong one means wasted money and frustration. If you've ever ordered a chain only to find it doesn't fit your saw, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Let's fix that.
Product number 1, X-Cut SP33G 20-inch chain. The X-Cut SP33G 20-inch chain. This isn't just another replacement blade. It's designed specifically for Husqvarna's 450 Rancher, 445, 450, 545, and 550 XP models. What caught my eye is how it balances sharpness and durability right out of the box. If you want a chain that stays sharp longer and cuts smoothly through hardwood without constant sharpening, this is worth a serious look. The semi-chisel design means it slices through wood cleanly while resisting dulling from dirt or debris, something arborists actually care about. With 80 drive links, a .325-inch pitch, and .050 gauge, it delivers excellent precision and low kickback, which matters when you're cutting overhead or in tight spaces. Over 1,000 people bought this last month, and while there are no reviews yet, the specs align with Husqvarna's own performance standards. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're using one of those compatible models and hate stopping every 20 minutes to file the chain, this pre-stretched, low-maintenance option saves time and effort. Now, some people might worry about the lack of user reviews, and honestly, that's fair. But given Husqvarna's reputation and the fact that this is an OEM spec chain, it's likely reliable. The only real downside, it won't fit anything outside that narrow list of models, so double-check your saw before heading by. This is perfect for you if you own a compatible Husqvarna Rancher or Pro model and want a durable, low-kickback chain that holds an edge. Skip this one if your saw isn't on the compatibility list, no matter how good it looks. At $22.39, it's a solid value for a precision-cut chain from the same brand that made your saw.
Product number 2, Dual T-Bar Wrench Tool. If the last chain's compatibility issue stressed you out, this next one solves a different but equally annoying problem: maintenance. The dual 13mm and 19mm T-bar wrench is a simple tool, but don't underestimate it. Made from cold-forged chrome vanadium steel, it's built to handle real torque without bending or stripping bolts. If you've ever struggled to adjust your chain tension or remove the side panel with a flimsy wrench, this is worth a serious look. It includes a dual taper groove cleaner tip, so you can clear out built-up sawdust and resin from your guide bar without needing a separate pick. Over 1,000 sold last month shows how many people actually need this. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Regular maintenance keeps your chainsaw running safely and efficiently, and this tool makes it faster and easier. No more guessing which socket fits or using pliers as a makeshift wrench. Now, some people complain that it's just a wrench and not worth $23, but here's the thing. If you're doing frequent cuts or working in dirty conditions, having the right tool on hand prevents damage and downtime. The flaw? It's not a chainsaw, it's a support tool. So if you already have a full toolkit, maybe skip it. But for most homeowners or weekend warriors, this saves frustration. This is perfect for you if you own a Husqvarna and want to do basic maintenance without calling a pro. Skip this one if you already have a reliable wrench set. At $22.99, it's a small investment for long-term saw health.
Product number 3, X-Cut SP33G 18-inch chain. That was a solid tool. But if you need a shorter bar option, this 18-inch X-Cut SP33G chain might be your match. Designed for the same family of Husqvarna saws, this version cuts down to 72 drive links and fits models like the 445 and 450. If you want better maneuverability in dense brush or for pruning tasks, this is worth a serious look. The shorter length reduces weight and increases control, especially on lighter duty jobs. Like its 20-inch sibling, it features pre-stretched construction, low kickback, and superior lubrication grooves that help oil flow evenly along the bar. Over 700 bought in the past month shows steady demand. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're cutting smaller trees, limbing, or doing yard cleanup, the 18-inch chain offers faster handling and less fatigue. Now, some people might say, why not just get the 20-inch? But here's the thing. A shorter chain means less resistance and smoother cuts and tight spaces. The downside? It's still limited to the same narrow list of compatible models. And with no reviews yet, you're relying on specs. This is perfect for you if you need precision over power and work in confined areas. Skip this one if you're felling large trees. Go longer. At $21.99, it's a smart buy for detail work.
Product number 4, S83 24-inch chain. If the shorter chains felt too limited, this 24-inch S83 chain is built for serious cutting. With 84 drive links, a 3/8 pitch, and .050 gauge, it's made for heavy-duty Husqvarna models like the 550 XP or 562 XP. If you want to tackle large logs, firewood splitting, or land clearing, this is worth a serious look. The larger pitch means deeper cuts per pass, which translates to faster work on thick hardwood. Over 600 sold last month proves it's a go-to for serious users. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you're cutting rounds over 18 inches, every extra inch of chain counts, and this one delivers power without sacrificing control. Now, some people complained about chain stretch after heavy use, but here's the thing. All chains stretch under load, and this one is pre-stretched to minimize early elongation. The flaw? It's overkill for small jobs, and harder to control if you're not experienced. This is perfect for you if you're a landowner or a professional who needs reach and cutting speed. Skip this one if you're just trimming branches. At $26.55, it's priced right for a high-performance chain.
Product number 5, X-Cut S83G 20-inch chain. The X-Cut S83G 20-inch chain, a hybrid of precision and power. With 72 drive lengths, 3/8 pitch, and .050 gauge, it's ideal for mid-size Husqvarna saws used in firewood and property maintenance. If you want a balance between cutting speed and control, this is worth a serious look. It's pre-stretched and designed for low kickback, making it safer for extended use. Over 500 sold last month shows it's a trusted middle ground option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It handles bigger jobs than the 18-inch, but remains manageable for weekend users. Now, some people noted it can get gummed up in wetwood, but regular cleaning and proper oil fix that. The flaw? Not as aggressive as full chisel chains, so it's not for racing through oak. This is perfect for you if you need reliable, all-around performance. Skip this one if you're doing ultra-heavy logging. At $23.93, it's a fair price for balanced performance.
So, which Husqvarna chain is best? The 20-inch X-Cut SP33G for precision, the 24-inch S83G for heavy work, the 18-inch for control, the S83G 20-inch for balance, and the T-wrench for maintenance. Match the chain to your saw and your job. Don't guess. Get the right fit, and your chainsaw will last longer and cut better.